Hello, YouTube and other social media sites that this may go to. My name is James again. It's my second video. Just wanted to say that you can trust Father God with the desires of your heart. Some of the desires, probably most of the desires in your heart are actually from Him, you know? And the things that you care about, He cares about. Now, if there's something in your heart that's wicked, well, you can trust Him to remove it for you. Just simply give those desires to Him, and He will remove it. And here's the important part: He'll replace it with something better, something perfect, something that that you were created for. For every evil thing that a man desires, and I mean mankind in general, men and women, there's something better, something pure from Father that will replace it, that He has for you. If you will just simply trust Him, that He loves you and has your best benefit in mind, you simply hand it over to Him. If you can't handle it, give it to Him. If you can't remove it from your life, just be honest. Just be like, just tell Father, hey, I can't handle this. Please take it from me. Please change me in this area. And He'll do it. It might not be today. It might not be tomorrow, but the ball will start rolling. So just have faith that He loves you, because He does. I've personally seen it myself. My Father took me out of body, showed me heaven. A lot of people have seen heaven. Some people, doesn't get talked about much, but the Bible is true. Jesus Christ is real. It's all real, and He loves you 100% beyond your wildest imagination. So that's all for now. Signing out. Have a wonderful day.